Day one of packing is done. The packers just left and they did a lot. Let's go over here first in my office slash storage room. So they pretty much did all of the decor. Yeah, so they have this room packed up. It's a 2-day process. The dining room is done. The kitchen is done. They'll come back and finish this up. They still need to do the rooms. They have to do the patio. But I mean, most of the patio stuff is just going straight on the truck because these are big items out here. It is moving day. Everything is packed up and the movers are here to load the truck. It is time to get all of this stuff out of here. The packers are working on the patio right now. Oh, they took apart the patio set. Oh my goodness. Well, they're gonna put it back together. They took apart everything. I don't even remember them doing this when we moved here. Like, they took apart the dining table, but I don't think they took apart chairs or anything. But this company, they are taking apart everything. Alright, so the house is cleared out and on its way to Cali right now. The chairs, they don't belong to us. That's why they are still here. And they did leave behind the products that they couldn't pack, like, you know, liquid detergent and cleaning products, stuff like that. We did hold on to some stuff just so we can like have something to cook in. Because we're going to be here for a few more days and we didn't want to like throw away all of the food that we still have in the fridge, so we're just, you know, eating all of that stuff up. I have a 14-page checklist of everything that needs to be cleaned in the house. This is from the property manager's office. So yeah, I'm just gonna go through this checklist and I'm gonna make sure all of this stuff is done. So yeah, let me go ahead and get started. This door has a lot of scuff marks. You might not be able to see it. So I'm just using a piece of magic eraser to clean that off. All right, I am done with all of the cabinets and drawers. I do need to check all of this stuff on the counter, see what I'm gonna be packing up in the car to take with us and what's gonna be trashed or donated. I'm not gonna do it right now. More than likely I'll tackle that tomorrow. That way I can just like wipe off the countertops right before we leave. Tomorrow is our last day in this house, so we have to finish this. Okay, it's time to do the primary bathroom now. So I'm gonna wipe up. I'm just gonna pretty much run through what I'm gonna do because I don't know if I'm gonna record it all. I'm gonna, you know, wipe down the light fixtures, of course, do the mirror, countertops. I need to clean inside of the cabinets and drawers. Kind of dirty on the outside. You know, just not too bad, but you know, still gotta clean it. The closet, I still have some stuff in here, but you know, wipe down the racks, do the baseboards, sweep, mop, and then you know, the toilet area back there, clean the window, the tub, and the shower. Of course, sweep and mop the floor, and I'll be good to go. Get the door, and then I'll be good to go in here. Alright guys, so here's an overview of the house right before we left, and I am using my phone for this because I ran out of space on my memory card and I don't know why I didn't flip the camera. Sorry about that. I do have a house tour that I recorded when we moved in back in 2019, so if you want to see better footage of this house when we first moved in, then I will have that video linked for you guys. I did enjoy my stay in Pensacola, but I wouldn't move back here if I had the choice. It's just a bit too slow when you live near the base. You're far from pretty much everything, and yeah, you have to do a lot of driving to get places. But if you don't care for being around a lot of stores, or if you're not interested in like the nightlife scene, then this would be a great place because it's, you know, it's pretty slow, very chill. The beaches are nice. Now for anyone that's military, if you get orders to Pensacola, I recommend finding a place to stay outside of the back gate because that area is nicer. The schools are a bit nicer. So definitely search outside of the back gate if you're not going to be staying on base. But that's going to be it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching. Give it a thumbs up if you did. If you're not already subscribed, I would love it if you do so. That'd be so awesome. And yeah, I will see you in Cali.